Canadian Solar Inc. was founded in 2001 in Toronto, Canada by Dr. Shawn Cui, President and CEO of Canadian Solar. In 2006, the first solar company in Canada was listed on NASDAQ Stock Exchange in USA. Canadian Solar is dedicated to changing the lives of all its customers for the better through making the solar energy into the tens of thousands of households. Nowadays, Canadian Solar is a globally recognized innovator of the solar industry. Canadian Solar has the leading R&D center, well-equipped testing lab certified according to ISO 17025, modern standard workshops. The structure of modules. First, introduce the structure of standard module. High-performance backsheet, high-quality EVA, high-efficient silicon cell, high-transparent EVA, high-transparent armored glass, high-strength aluminum alloy frame, high level of protection junction box and connector. Canadian Solar modules can be individually identified by serial number ID. Each module has the ID laminated inside the module as well as on the rear and side of the module. The module's electrical specification refers to the nameplate. The strength of double glass module is in applying the glass substitute for the backsheet, zero permeable rate, and split junction box with lower cable loss. Unloading and storage. A solid and flat ground is recommended to prevent modules from damaging under the conditions of uneven ground level and wetness. Please check and inspect the module type, job number, and quantity when receiving the modules. If there are information variances or broken boxes, please contact customer service. We propose to choose proper model of forklift or crane to unload modules from trucks. Ensure that cushioning is applied on the original unloading equipment to avoid the case of hitting with modules, which may lead to microcrack or broken modules. While using crane, please ensure the band is smooth to avoid squeezing and damaging. While using the crane, ensure that not more than 2 boxes should be carried at a time as shown, and ensure the boxes are properly stabilized while landing to avoid the case of striking against the boxes. Always keep the boxes in a dry and ventilated condition and cover the waterproof cloth timely. Unpacking and stacking. Before unpacking, please check and confirm module type, power correctness. First, introduce the unpacking procedures of standard modules. Use a knife to cut the protecting film and band. After opening the cover, remove the packing belt and peel off the side cover. Special Velcro is applied to keep box stable. Peel it off one at a time and unpack modules with a minimum of 2 people. When piling modules on the pallet, please ensure the bottommost module faces upwards and the others face downwards. There should be a maximum of 12 pieces module in one stack. The process of unpacking double glass package is by removing the middle foam firstly and then the left and right ones. The wooden and metal structure keeps double glass modules with excellent stability even under extreme conditions. The modules should be aligned in case of squeezing. Pressing, hitting, and sitting on modules are strictly forbidden. Installing and wiring. Only modules with same power should be connected in the same string to avoid or minimize mismatch effects. Modules must always be carried by 2 people or more. Do not carry modules by head or shoulder, or drag modules by their wires or connectors. First, lay down the outside module, and all bolts, nuts, flat washers, and lock washers should be tightened properly as shown. The value of tightening torque is recommended to refer to installation manual. After tightening the marginal clamp, then lay down the middle ones and tighten them up. Tighten up the middle clamp while the second module has been put in place. Make sure all the parameters follow the installation manual of Canadian Solar. Do not press, step or knock on modules while installing modules to avoid micro crack. Do not connect modules with different type into one string. Connectors should be connected timely once module installation is finished. Means the action is done. Do not twist the wires or the sealing will be affected. Do not install modules with scratched or swollen back sheet, broken wires, deformed connectors, or broken glass. Connection and maintenance. Power off the combiner box and inspect the wire connection before starting up system. Ensure the polarity and open circuit voltage comply with the original design request. Modules in operation are strictly recommended to be grounded to ensure electrical safety. Module grounding could be performed by connecting the adjacent noded grounding holes. Even minor partial shading reduces yields and even leads to partial overheating of modules and accelerates power attenuation. Regular maintenance is required to keep modules clear during the low irradiance part of the day. Soft wiper, sponge, and mop could be applied to clean module glass. If necessary, clear water and alcohol could be adopted. Replace broken modules immediately once found. Weed in regular basis to avoid shading.